Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Hari and I hope you guys liked my previous video. Today I'm here to discuss why I still likes to buy option, and I would like to uh, share what is the feeling when you're buying option and how does it work. And I hope you guys all know about options. I really don't want to describe about more. I mean, like about option, what is option and how it is working. So you have a lot of YouTubers who does this kind of videos on YouTube, and you can find it on YouTube. If you have any doubts, if you wanna know more about that, please let me know, and I can help you on that. So option is like we can consider this as a script again, and we can just like trade it just like stocks. I mean, the way that we trade stocks, we can buy options and sell options. The thing is that to buy options we need minimum capital. We need the option premium as capital. But to sell option we need not only the option premium as capital. We have to pledge some amount for for the kind of like option guarantee and all. So that means that you need more money to sell options. Normally there is a sayings that for the option buyers risk is limited and profit is unlimited, and option sellers risk is unlimited and profit is capped, profit is limited. So what does it mean? That if you buy an option, you have to pay the premium of the option, and maximum that you can lose is the premium, and the maximum amount that you can get is unlimited. When you consider an option selling, you have to, if the option goes against you, the trend is against you, then you have to give however the amount which option goes up, you have to pay the option buyer. That's why people normally say is option buying is it's like a more profitable rather than option selling. It's looked like that. Actually it is not working that way. Normally the guys, the people who sells option will make more profit consistently rather than the guy who buy options. So it is very hard to buy it. It is, I mean, sorry, it is easy to buy option, but it is very hard to get profitable or keep the consistency in profit by option buying. It is very hard and it's really challenging. So you guys have to be more careful while buying options. It's rather than selling options. It's more difficult to buy and keep your options, keep your P&L always in green. So just imagine, when you're here and you're able to buy an option and you're getting a ride of almost like 36,000 to 35 300. This is almost just like 700 points right, which is a good amount of profit. We can check that p right now, like we'll go to the Saroda. So 36,000 p.m. taking 36,000, sorry, 36,000 last, I mean, I think last month p expired 12th. I mean, no, this week p. So I'm taking the p put option for this one, bank nifty. Okay, let's go to the chart. Go to the chart 3 days back. Okay, so the time which we are talking about was this one. So like if you see here, this is the candles, and here also we are on 15 minutes candles. If you see here, look, if you could get an entry over here. So okay, if you get an entry over here, just like the amount for here, the PE was, it's like nearby 600. Let me take F. Okay, the entry for P was just like 566, and if you go a ride, if you are able to ride until here, so the amount got almost double. So it's like a 10, I mean it's like a thousand rupees. So you if you buy over here like a 564, you are getting a profit of 1014 over here. If you could exit and from here. So let's calculate how much will be for an like a lot. Let's get back to the work and so okay, if you're exiting here like 10019 and the entry amount is actually 564 564 and the total profit you are getting is 455 rupees, like and your total number of loads will be 25, so the total profit that you are getting is immersive. Look at that. It's 10,000. Sorry, it's 11,375 rupees. So, which means that you are getting a huge profit. To get a huge profit, you may have to take that kind of mental pressure, or maybe that kind of, it's like what we say, that kind of feeling. I cannot describe that. You are like in between two rollers and you are getting squeezed. So to get that kind of profit, you have to be go through that kind of situation, and you have to be take that pain actually. So I really going through that, and sometimes I get a good profit. Sometimes I'm about to lose. Sometimes I throw off my trade. The thing is that to get some money in the market, you should be ready to leave, ready to lose some money in the market. Then only you can get that. So actually, I'm not telling about not a positional trade or positional option buying strategy or positional option buying. um what we say, personal option buying. Oh, I'm always telling about scalping, quick scalping. You're taking an entry, you're taking a position, you get a profit and you leave the market. You won't wait for next move. So my strategy is always just like that for option buying, and I did try some kind of strategies that will take maybe more than 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and more time I wait, I there is a more chance that I get lose my money. There is two things, there is a uh, decay, the time decay for options. If you are an option buyer, if you keep your option with you for a long time, and there is a chance, if there is a no move on your desired direction, there is a chance for you lose your money by time decay. So if you learn more about options and time decay, option theta, delta, all this kind of stuff, IV spikes and all this kind of stuff, you will understand what is time decay. There is a way to calculate time decay and all, but for an option scalper, we actually don't need to get to know about all this time decay and all, because we don't stay in the market for a long time. So if you are getting understand the way when the right momentum is going to happen and you are ready to get into the market, and you just bump into the market and you get a profit and you are exiting your trade and you're taking your money and going home. This is the way option scalping is working. So it's there is a chance of losing also, so you have to be careful. You have to be ready to lose your cut your finger, or I mean like cut your loose, and you just get away from immediately when you see that your trade is not going to be profitable just after you enter. So there is a certain way, certain strategy, certain what we say, some kind of rules and regulations that we have to follow while we are entering to the market. And we'll talk about that later on, maybe next video or something. Or I'll try to show you some live trading sessions. I might not able to come on live on that time, but I can come just like I'll record my trade and I'll show you the evening, because I'm working right now in a company and I am not able to broadcast my trade from there. So the thing is that you have to be understand where the script is going. There's a chance, if there is a chance to go the script go higher, or maybe if there is a chance for in our own direction, we just take an entry, take an exit on maybe the next or the third candle, and get enough profit and leave the market. So that is the strategy. That is the way the option buying is work. If you keep your options for a long time, there's a very high chance of getting lose your money. So whatever the time that I was getting loss, I mean, getting my huge losses, like maybe like 5,000 or 10,000, the half of my capital. It's like when I was increasing my lot size and when I was waiting for my momentum, then there was a chance for getting loose. I'll get a reverse momentum, or the trade might go against me. So the only one way to be successful in option buying market is just get away from the market if the trade is not supporting you. The trade is not in your way, in your direction. So we'll understand that, or we'll check how does it work, or we'll see how the things works later on next videos. So why I am still supporting option buying? The only one reason is that you need a less capital, you need a less time, you need a you don't need to wait for long, like that's what I mean less time. And it's not you don't need to be study the market very well, or it's like you don't need to be study from the day beginning the day from yesterday, or you don't need to understand a global market. You don't need to understand newspaper news or whatever. We are not, I mean, looking for any newses. We are not looking for any kind of up and downs in other markets like world market and all. We just come to the market, see the candles, check that analysis. We'll check our analysis. If it is right for us, we'll take an entry. If the trade is not supporting us, immediately we'll exit the market and we'll go home. That's this strategy that was I was following. But to get into the market, get into the trade, I need a certain situations. I mean, situations means the situation which is favoring me, you can say. So I need this. I have this kind of situations or maybe strategies I made myself, and I don't know somebody else is following or somebody else is using this kind of strategy, or anybody is already introduced this strategy. I don't know about that, but still, I'm just waiting for some more days to get me profitable, or maybe get tested this strategy, then I'll come up with exactly how I am doing. Meanwhile, I'll share you some of my trading videos. Then I'll come to you guys. Let's check a little more trade sessions maybe. So if you go to the Bank Nifty day candle, sorry, it's not day candle. It's a 15 minutes candle. If you have a this, I mean, we cannot check on previous day options, it might be expired. So if you check here, we can see if a consolidation on 15 minutes candles, and from here you can see a fall. This fall is huge actually. If you could get the market here, then look, 36,954 to 36,000. So it's almost 900 points down fall, which means that is a huge amount. If you calculate option, if you go to option and check, you can see it's a huge amount. So there is certain ways that we can simply scalp this downfalls and upfalls, or maybe down and up things. So stay tuned to the channel. If you like what I say, please subscribe below and comment your comments, and please hit the like button, and don't forget to stay tuned. I'm starting a SIP plan soon, and you guys can join. I mean, you can watch the video and take your own decisions, and you can keep investing on the stocks which I suggest. And it is just free of, and it is just free, of course. There is no charge for that. I won't charge you or nothing like that. It is my own analysis, and I'll share the analysis with you, and I'll keep investing on these stocks, and I'll keep posting you on that things. Thank you, and thank you for the patience, and thank you for watching video. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment your comments, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.